Let's ask Dr. Martha. Yeah.
Hi everyone, my name is Martha. I am a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist, the founder of my own practice, Eros Coaching. So I'm very happy to be teaming up with the Heart Weavers in this segment called Let's Ask Dr. Martha to answer all your questions regarding LGBTQ, sex and relationships. So in this question, so I'm in a long-term loving relationship with a girl who's asexual and has a very low sex drive. I, on the other hand, have a large sex drive. This results in some friction in our relationship because our needs and wants don't match. Do you have any advice that can help us? Submitted by a bisexual man. Okay, so before I go into what you can do, I want to first explain what's asexual. So asexual people, they do have romantic tendencies. They do want to be in a relationship, but they do not like, they do not want, they do not need sex. They do not need sex. But it doesn't mean that this person cannot have sex. So what happens when you have a high sex drive and you're with someone with a low or no sex drive? It causes friction. Yes, naturally. So what can you do about it? Both of you need to be honest about what you need, what you want, what you desire. Do you need to be in a relationship with someone who gives you sex? Is your partner okay with you getting sex elsewhere? Are you okay with not getting sex elsewhere and being sexual by yourself? Do you need to be sexual with your partner? These are all conversations to be had. So it feels like it's causing conflict because I assume a lot of people do want to have sex with their partner and they see sex as a way to express their love. Your partner doesn't see or need that. So it's going to cause unhappiness to your partner. So this is something that you both need to be honest. And I'm sure you have had a lot of conversations around this. And it can be a deal breaker. It can be a deal breaker. So think about it. Think about, like, as much as you love this person, can you have a relationship with this person without sex? Bearing in mind that pushing and almost forcing your partner to have sex with you is making your partner miserable. And they're perfectly happy having a romantic relationship with you without sex. They are really okay. So if you are really not okay, this is a deal breaker. So is there any advice? I would say that you cannot force someone to do something they don't want to do. Please don't do that, because you may break this person. And you may also break yourself by trying to deny and repress your sexuality as well. So if your partner is willing to try, your partner who is asexual is willing to try, you can explore, like, what are the turn-ons, what are the turn-offs. If you do more of the turn-ons, will more of the turn-ons help? If your partner has already done their inner work of really identifying themselves as an asexual, it can be very painful for them to feel that maybe I mislabeled myself, or I was mislabeled. And so it can be very painful for your partner to feel that they need to keep talking about sex and keep going for counseling as well, because they may have also done their inner work. So going to a counselor can help, going to a sex counselor can help. However, you may really need to think about the possibility of this as a deadlock in your relationship, and to give your partner the freedom to be themselves, to be with someone who's okay with not having sex in the relationship, and yourself being able to find somebody who is more compatible in all aspects, including sexuality. So this has been Martha for the Heart Weaver.